Cut 2, a pagoda in the highlands of East fucking Timor. American guy, early 30s, lives with the monks. Vow of silence, just prays, eats rice balls and chicken fat sandwiches. There's a phone call. He goes over, he reaches down.
Hold on. If the monks have taken a vow of silence, why do they have a telephone?
A carrier pigeon flies up his ass, okay? He gets a message from his grandmother in Pittsburgh. She tells him that another one with the power, another one like them, has been born.
Brother.
Excuse me? Hey, stop me or I'll kill this woman.
Oh, I do? Okay. Hey.
Ow. And that's why he comes back.
The thing is, like, once you come up, you're kind of looming over,
Right. So I never said that.
I think when you come up, you should.
Get a look at this mug.
Yes, I am in the bus scene tonight.
And what are you going to be doing? Are you going to be threatening anybody physically?
Always.
Really?
Yeah, you want to see? Watch this.
Yeah, are you carrying a blade?
You're going to be psycho right now. That wasn't a good one. Go
Psycho.
one more time.
Hey, anybody calls me Francis, I'll kill you.
Is that good?
And then you can go, excuse me, and then get up and start. And then when we do it, you'll wait to deliver your other line until you get right there. Okay?
I can't stay with the bus, please.
Okay, Dusty, let me see you. Let me just see your position one more time. Where you guys are going to be? Okay. All right, that's pretty good.
So we're on them in the tube. We're probably going to have to get Lisa's old brother this way, right?
Yes.
Then we get her old brother. Can we get Dusty in this, and then pop back behind? Or is that
Well,
gonna
what
be
we could do is we can have him get up. We
and
can
then
have
on
him
the
rise.
action, then we can go back
And then
over
we cut
there.
over. Yeah. Then
And
we
get him to walk right up to
Yes.
Lisa and that. Okay,
Yes.
so that's another shot.
So you're on
sticks.
You're on sticks
Yeah, I'm
here
on
for this
sticks,
piece.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's on sticks for the 2 shot on these 2.
I'm going to be on sticks from now on.
Okay, and then we're sticks back this way on Lisa for the brother.
Right.
And then we pull
behind there
back.
for them
So what
to
I'd like
come
to get before we break for lunch is this part and this part and of this piece. Okay. So let's us step back off the bus, everybody, and give these gentlemen the bus for a few minutes.
How about just rigging it up there against that?
Do it.
Okay. Hey, Todd. Wait, I need a tortellini.
Now that was a good choice for
I was just
dinner.
going to say, it sounds better than shark.
Behind wave.
Shark.
Where's your head set?
Okay, it's a nobody ever
Pretty good, Todd. Okay, let's see, where are we? We are on Wilshire and Alexander. It's about 3:15 in the morning. We still have about 4 pages at least to shoot. Nobody seems real excited. Little action coming here.
And then I think we'll go, because the bus is going to stop. Because they sent up a little more. Stop. And then we'll run right up to there. And then we'll play the last part. Right.
I don't believe I got your credits.
Oh, you have credits?
Between us, we have 19 produced television credits.
Oh. Well, that explains it.
That explains what?
That explains television.
I suppose you don't watch television.
No, I don't. I prefer movies.
Yeah, well, you're riding the fucking bus.
What are you doing? Driving it?
That's a good one, Len. We're gonna go get my car.
All right. See, 'cause I thought Dennis Hopper maybe put you guys on board, and then when one of you gets an idea, the bus explodes.
What's wrong with the idea?
Seriously?
Seriously.
Well, first of all, all right, you do have this, nice little story about this dysfunctional family, fine. But then why tart it up with this telekinesis thing? Go with what is essential. The outsider within the family, say, find the antagonist within that situation. Then the old woman. It's the old woman. The old woman. She abused the hero, and that's why he's so fucked up. And now this baby is born, and he knows that she's going to do the same thing to him, and that is why he has to come back. Well, there you go.
Can I ask you what you do for a living?
Well, I happen to be one of the highest paid script readers in the business. I can cover 5 of these in one night. I'm an insomniac.
So some poor schmuck is sitting home, thinking that he's 1 yes away from selling a script, and it's your job to blow him out of the water.
You know what? I should get combat pay for wading through this crap. That's what it is.
Hey! Look, take it easy.
Sorry, Claude, it's all right. Look, if I don't do it, somebody else will.
Nazi.
Oh, good. Good for you.
Sunset Boulevard.
Where the hell are we? Excuse me. Where are we?
Sunset Boulevard.
It's Guatemala.
It's Echo Park.
Do you go back the other way?
Eventually.
What the hell does that mean?
Howdy.
Hey, how you doing?
What kind of a night did you have, Danielle?
Fairly long.
Yeah. Was it a rough one?
No, not really.
It was a lint and scarf nightmare, wasn't it?
Yeah, that scarf thing was driving me crazy.
And here's the fabulous wardrobe trailer, which I have yet to be in. Is this all for the actors?
Well, this is my stock, but
Oh, really?
yeah.
So they get to come in here and take their choice of whatever they'd like to wear? Who has the final say, really?
It kind of depends. It depends on what kind of show you're on.
Really?
You know what I mean?
It depends on where you are in the pecking order. I mean, if you're number 1 or 2 on the cast list, you get to decide what you wear. But if you're kind of like number 8, 9, 10 or whatever,
I have influence in it, but
really? Do you try and sway them one way or the other? But right now, you're the last one manning the ship, aren't you? Or womaning the ship?
yeah, that's because everybody else is working during the day.
Ah. Well, thanks for this little moment. I appreciate it. We got flowers here for Leading Woman. Still a flurry of activity in the camera truck. Michelle, what's happening? The wrapping procedure is in full swing, eh? We got the chicken noodle soup, which apparently was a hit at Wrap. Here's the man responsible for it. Say, John, Mr. Craft Service.
Where's the champagne?
Where's the champagne? We hit roll number, well, we're up to like 103 now. Isn't that right, Scott?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Say, Seth, Mr. Birthday Boy. How old are you, Seth?
23.
23. Doesn't look a day over 22. Mr. Texas, what's happening? Okay.
Record reflect one of these came back.
All right. Let's see. Come on, let's pop it.
Come on, baby. Where's the cup?
I got the cups right here. Camera, you're coming in camera left.
No, we're turning around.
We're doing a reversal.
What's the mix? All right, we're ready?
These are like really hard. Here, you know what?
Should I hold the roll?
No.
Whoa! Just flew over my shoulder.
There you go. 100.
100. Well, actually, we're up to like 103 now. Hey, there we go. All right. Yeah, you got a call sheet. A call sheet for me, and I got a production report for you, right? Yeah.
And you're gonna turn that to the camera.
Why? What's the toast, Brendan? What's a good word?
Wrap.
Rap. Yes, rap's always a good word. And here's the human cannonball.
Morning.
How you doing?
Fine.